Still some records here. I broke the record. Let's see what's going on here. Hold on, is that slime? That slime was in this dangerous track. Oh my gosh. I have to take it over. I'm in there. No, I'm in the slime. Could somebody get my gooey slime out? I've got stuck for gold slime. Seems like I have to get headed to the car wash. I have to. No, this is in my shoe. Oh no! The gold slime tried to hit me. I'm just stuck in here. Oh man, I have to take like a car wash. It's doing it. Whoa. That slime was dangerous. Well, thank you, car wash. I was headed. Yes, nearly speed. Check my wheels. They look pretty. Green slime is coming. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Green slime. I despise you. Hold on right to my way. I'm going up. Let's see what's going on. Check. Check them over. Slime track is over. Uh-oh. Get out of here. Oh no. I'll stay here, but look at this car wash. It's just a bucket. Just a bucket of water. I'm coming about. I've got to be super fast. I've got wheels. I've got just, I think that's just. I'm just there for the water. I just don't go on it, or else you get to the slime here. You will get burned about. Well, as you've seen this car wash for issue for half. I'm gonna be like, how do I do? It's in my windshield. I better slow do it. For the powerful motor. It's just twisting. That's all I've tried to get in this green slime. Oh, I do not like green slime. Well, help me. It worked. The gold slime. It's the green slime. It worked. It's gone. I saw you're a hero. Right, I got it.